Well, it's cracking, everybody. Pete here from Eminem and the Gang, and I am burning up out here in that Texas heat. Making a quick video, show you what I'm working on, see if I can get it fixed. By the way, it's hot. It's like 98 degrees, and the humidity is like 100. But anyway, 2 years ago, at the 3 years ago, at the Integra Motherland, I had this slide topper fixed because it wouldn't retract because there was so much crud in there. Well, as you can see, it unraveled all the way. We had a little storm come through and got a little gust of wind, and I think that's what caused it to come out. So I took the end caps off to look inside, and sure enough, it's filled with crud inside. But I don't think that's what caused it. Is what caused it to unravel. So got small little tear on this side and one on the other side, and taking these off, ended up breaking those little caps or little pieces of metal. So hopefully this will screw back on tight. Anyway, let's climb up here and let you see what's going on. Excuse the close-up of the coach, but it's hot. Okay, so as you can see, the whole thing unraveled, and this screw, they stripped the screw, didn't say anything about it. I can't get it out, so what I'm going to try and do is turn that this, see it, I'm going to turn this ratchet that I have and see if I can close it up some. Hopefully it'll roll in smooth. I gotta remove all that stuff, but the good thing is it didn't tear off, so hopefully it can be salvaged. But it's hot, real hot. Coming down the ladder. Yeah. And I noticed this is my second Hughes watchdog, and started to melt. I don't know if that's from the rain or the heat or whatever, but it's not hot. The lines aren't hot, so I think it must have happened probably during the storm. Maybe it got soaking wet or whatever, so I tried covering it. So anyway, I'm going to get back to trying to work on this topper. Hopefully I don't have to replace it and buy another one, because we're only here for about 5 more days, and then we head to Galveston to Jamaica Beach for a week. So talk to you guys later. Peace. Oh, if you're watching my videos, like and subscribe. Yeah, I don't know how to do all that editing and stuff, so but I'm learning, and one of these days I'll do it. I'll stop being so lazy and learn how to edit these videos properly. Talk to you guys later. Peace.